I'm Dr. R. Digmajan with Prime Coral, and this is a piece off of a large Montipora colony, and you can see the normal tissue on this side and the RTN or STN tissue on the left side. Now, I took all the sick-looking pieces of this coral, and I am giving them a dip in the Prime Coral Stop RTN dip. But this piece in particular, we're going to take over and we're going to look at it with the microscope and see what's going on. So what I typically will do is I'll take a piece of a branch of a coral that's sick, and just to confirm that it is the RTN and STN parasites, I'm going to put it inside the microscope and we're going to take a look with the light microscope. You can actually see there are the STN parasites crawling around. You can see a bleached area of the coral here. It's lost about 90% of its zooxanthella. But really, the most parasite action you're going to see is right here. And that's the STN parasites. That's Euplotes, Philaster. You can see them in the skeleton, moving around, eating the coral. This is a microscopic view. You're right now at 40x magnification. You cannot see these with the naked eye. Alright, so to get a better idea of what's really going on with this coral, now that I've examined the surface, I'm going to take this piece and I'm going to put it into a pea cup. I'm going to put a small amount of tank water at the bottom of the cup, and basically we're going to let this sit overnight, and tomorrow we're going to take a look at what parasites actually will come out of it. And that's how I do my microscopic examination. So yesterday we went ahead and put in another coral that I think may be infected. So I'm going to grab a petri dish. We're going to put a little bit of this water that the coral was in overnight, and we're basically going to see if there are any parasites that cause this coral to die. And there are no living parasites. This coral was treated in the prime coral prevent RTN in-tank treatment, and I don't see anything alive, which is good news. We had some other corals that were not treated. And these are untreated corals. And look what we found with the untreated corals. Massive amounts of Philaster. These are RTN Acropora. And these Philaster would be swimming around in your tank if you didn't get the skeletons out right away. And they're looking for another coral to infect. Really healthy population of young Philasters ready to infect the next coral. Shocking.